Hello students, good morning everybody. How are you all? Hope you are fine and safe at home. Okay, today in EVS we are going to see lesson number 2. A snake charmer's story. What is the name of the lesson? See children, a snake charmer's story. What do you mean by snake charmer children? See, snake charmer, an entertainer who appear to make snakes move by playing music. So, snake charmer is an entertainer. Snake charmer is an entertainer. What he will do? He will play music. For what? To make snakes to move by his music. So, snake charmer is an entertainer who appears to make snakes move by playing music. Okay children, this is the meaning of snake charmer. Shall we go to the topic? Shall we read first children? See, I am Aryanath. What is name? Aryanath. A-R-Y-A-N-A-T-H. Aryanath. He is going to tell about his story. Okay, shall we see what he is going to tell? I will read first. Just listen to me children. I can do something special which I am sure none of you can do. Do you know what? I can play the bean. I can play the bean. You must be surprised. Yes, I can make snakes dance by playing the bean. I have learned this art from my family members. We people are known as Cablias. We people are known as Cablias. Okay, what he is saying children? See, I am Aryanath. What his name is? Aryanath. He is telling that he will do something special. What special he is doing children? See, he will play the bean. What he will play? He will play the bean. The bean is an instrument which is used to make the snakes by playing music. Okay, he is play the bean. It must be surprised, right? It's surprise, which mean by amazing. It must be amazing, right? A person who is playing the bean means it must be very surprised. So the person name called Aryanath, he will play the bean. How he learned children? He learned by his family members. How he learned? He learned by his family members. These people we call as Cablias. These people we call as Cablias. What does mean by Cablias children? It is one of the most sensuous dance form of Rajasthan. Okay, in Rajasthan the people used to dance this type of snake dance. Okay, the name is called snake dance. That people are called Cablias. Okay, Cablias. The person called Aryanath, he is saying that he will play the bean. That he will play the bean. He was learned this by his family members. Okay. Then he is telling that. See what he is telling. Shall we start to read first children? See, my grandfather. Whose grandfather? Aryanath's grandfather. Roshan Nathji. What is his name? Roshan Nathji. My grandfather Roshan Nathji was famous amongst our people. He could easily catch many poisonous snakes. He tells me many stories about his past. Come listen to his story in his own words. What he is saying, Aryanath, the boy Aryanath, what he is saying? His grandfather, what is grandfather name? Roshan Nathji was very famous amongst our people. He was very famous amongst which people? Amongst Cablias people. He used to play the bean also. He is also a snake charmer. Who is a snake charmer children? His grandfather name Roshan Nathji was a snake charmer. He was an entertainer who appears to make snakes music. Okay, he knows how to do that. He was famous amongst the people. He could catch many poisonous snakes. He will catch many poisonous snakes. Who will catch many poisonous snakes, children? Roshan Nagji will play many poisonous snakes. He was grandfather of Aryana. Okay, he is going to tell one story about Roshan Nagji. We are going to see what the story is about. This is the story about Roshan Nagji, who was grandfather of Aryana. Shall we start to see, children? Shall we start to read first? Okay, Dadaji remembers. From the time of my grandfather and great-grandfather, we have always been Saparas. We have always been Saparas. S-A-P-E-R-A-S, which means snake charmers. Snakes have been an important part of our life. We used to move from village to village carrying our snakes in bamboo baskets. Whenever we stopped in a village, a crowd would gather around us. We would then take out our snakes from our baskets. So what he is saying, children, see, from the time of his grandfather and also his great grandfather, they always been a Saparas, which means a snake charmer, is an entertainer who are making the snakes to dance by playing music. Okay, they were Saparas in the past of his grandfather and also his great grandfather. So in their life, snakes is very important part of our life, because by using snakes only they are getting money in the crowd. By using this they are getting money and also some of the food grains from the people. Okay, then what you saying, children, see, they used to take the snakes. They used to take the snakes. They used to carry the snakes from one place to another by using the bamboo baskets. By using the bamboo baskets, they are carrying the snakes from one place to another. And also if they stop in one place, a crowd will gather around them. Crowd, which means by many of the people in the village will gather around them. Okay, so then they will take the snacks from their basket. See the picture here. He is a snake charmer playing the game, and the snake is here. So many of the people were around us to seeing this. So from this, the snake charmers were collecting the money from the people. This is their life. So snakes play a very important role in their life, and also they carry the snakes in the bamboo baskets. After taking the snakes in the bamboo baskets, the people would gather around them. Okay, shall we move to the next paragraph, children? See, shall we start to read? Even after the show, people would stay on. They know that in our tin box there were many types of medicines for them. We made these medicines from plants collected from the forest. I had learned all this from my grandfather. I felt nice that I could help people with my medicines, even if doctors and hospitals were far off. In return, people would give us some money or food grains. In this way, we could manage our life. So what they are saying in this paragraph, children, even after the show also, after finishing the show also, people would stay on because they would like to see their snakes, which is in the tin box. And they also, snake charmers also have many medicines. Snake charmers also have many medicines with them. These are all the medicines are collected in the forest. For what these medicines are used for, children? If any snakes bite them means snake charmers. They have learned how they learn. They learned it from their grandfather. I felt nice that I could help people with this medicines. If there is no doctors and hospitals nearby the village means, they would like to ask to the snake charmers only. He felt very happy to help these people by giving this medicines, and also people would give us some money and also food grains. So in this way, snake charmers managing their life. Okay children, you can understand what I am saying. They are, after finishing the show also, people would stay there, and also they have some medicines in their tin box. These are all the medicines. They are collected from the forest. This would help for the people who are biting from the snakes. Okay children, then it is helpful for them far away from the hospitals and doctors, and people also give some money and food grains. In this way, the snake charmers managing their life. Shall we see this last paragraph children? See, sometimes when some farmers would come running for help shouting, snake, snake, I could catch the snakes. What is saying children? See, sometimes when the farmers in the field, they will run after shouting, snake, snake. In that situation also, snake farmers could catch the snakes, and then they will give medicines for the farmers also. In this way also, snake charmers are helping them. Okay children? Next one is about also Dadaji remembers. Shall we start with first children? See, sometimes I was called to places where someone had been bitten by a snake. From the marks of the bite, I tried to find out which snake had bitten the person. I would then give a medicine for that. But I have not always been on time to help. As you know, some snakes bites can cause death on the spot. But most of the snakes are not poisonous. When I grow older, my father taught me how to remove their poisonous teeth. What he is saying, students, is his grandfather was called. For what he called? He called to the places. If someone had been bitten by a snake, by the marks of the bite, he was trying to find out which snakes had bitten by the person, and then he will give medicines for that. So for this purpose also, snake charmers are helping the person who are bitten by a snake. Most of the time they were not always being trying to help. We know that some snakes bite cause death on the spot itself because it may be a poisonous snake. When he grew older, his father taught him how to remove their poisonous teeth in snakes also. Okay children, this is all about a snake charmer story. A person in a boy named called Aryanath, he is telling about his grandfather Roshan Nathji, and what are all doing in the village by using the snake dancing. Okay children, by that we can say many more things. We saw that, right? Then think and tell. What is the first question? Have you ever seen anyone playing a bean? This was a general question, children. See, have you ever seen anyone playing a bean? Where? What is the answer? Yes, I have seen snake charmers playing a bean. They can be seen at rural areas during festivals. Yes, you can see snake charmers playing a bean. Where he is seeing, he can be seen at rural areas, which mean villages during festivals. What is the second question, see children? Were you scared by it? Why scared? Were you afraid by snakes? Yes, he was very much scared of it, since it is poisonous and it would bite. It is very poisonous, no? So it would bite. So he was scared by the snake. Do you think all snakes are poisonous? Answer. No, not all snakes are poisonous. Then today's assignment, you have to write keywords, fill in the blanks and true or false in your class book. No children, you have to put lesson number 2 here, snake charmer story, and start with the Roman letter 1. Keywords, second Roman letter as fill in the blanks and the third Roman letter as true or false. Write neatly children. Read and write. The answer of this keywords, fill in the blanks and true or false is attached as a PDF after this video. In the next class, we will see some more interesting topics in the snake charmer's story.